ain't getting them. Top of the. Oh my! I literally just. I am sleepy. I am not gonna lie. But this is taking place in 2 days. You feel me? The count was right here yesterday, 11 bands. And then that's how much I put in. I put in 12 actually. But it's some stock. I got some stocks somewhere else. I'm gonna spend like 1,500. So it was that. This is what I put in 12, like 12.2, something like that. 12.2. Alright, so it went 11.2. We call 11.2. So July 30th. That was yesterday, right? So boom, you feel me? Skyrocketed. Nigga hit like 5,600 yesterday, and then now we up to what, 8,000 on the week. What is dropping though? Let's get in here and find out what's going on. Let a nigga try me, try me. I'ma fuck around and sell an option. If I ever go low, I'ma make some money. Cause I know how to read a chart, G. And if you ever wanna act funny, don't worry, I'ma be in your face making some money. Money. I'm freaking tired. It's hot. The heater's on. I don't know why. Alright, so my Valero contract, gang, and them, that's the most profitable one right now. Wait, you know what? All my gas is eating like crazy, B. Like my gas is eating. It's like I'll never buy another thing in my life. I won't buy a liquor bottle. I won't buy admission to no club. I won't buy a section. I ain't going to no strip clubs ever again. I'm If I buy something from Louis Vuitton, now I gotta buy that shit from like off points or something. Like I gotta put 1,100 on some glasses. I got $1,100 glasses. You know how many options I could have bought for 1,100? Probably like 3 picks in a week. No. Freaking what? Backwoods. I ain't buying no more backwoods. It's $10 a pack. $20 a week. Nope. Um, I don't know. I'm cutting everything out. I'm not buying Nathan. If I can't make no money off it and then pull some profits and then buy not doing it. Don't even talk to me about it. I don't even care what it is. We're gonna do this for a year straight. And then once we get past the year over, this is Valero, baby. Yeah, this is the V. Yeah, you dig? So I'm on some real life like yo B. Okay, so what's going on? It is at 167. 167 with the V. That's not the only thing pulling back though. Oh yeah, so this is Valero. Remember I was telling you that like first hour in the market might be looking to close down because these end this week. You dig? Let's just see how the chart look. Oh, okay, yeah. So look, it's coming down. You feel me? It's coming down. Because it was up to 167. You see how like this line is breaking down? I don't like that. So because what how I would like want this chart to be, how it came down hard, it need pullback, like not continuously going down. It needs to go back up here a little bit, bro. For real. And then it can start stabling out. Cause it should look like this right here. Damn, it's not even on here. It should look like this right here, right? So it hit the peak, boom. And then you see how it's like, oh, okay, boom. It just popped. It just popped. Kinda. So yeah. So it should look like this, like boom, hit a peak, and then incrementally coming down, boom, then boom, hit this, and then go up, boom, then go up, and then to the top. So yeah, boom, that should start stabling out, bro. That should start stabling out. Dad, Delta is gone. Delta's gone. PSX. So look, let me go on these little weekly charts real quick, bro. So look, with Valero, right? We would have got in. This was the buy that we would have been looking at. This would have been week 1, week 2, week 3. So we got in this one. This is the buy. We got in week 1, week 2. Week 1, week 2, week 3. So week 2, we got one contract that's even expiring this week anyway. So I'm trying to figure out if we're gonna get the peak right here of this contract within the next 30 minutes. The glare is ridiculous in this room. I can't wait to move. I am so serious. Okay, man, this is looking pretty good, bro. Because if it can keep riding this wave, bro, because this is a big candle, so the pullback is cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's not that bad. Let's check the 15 minute. Let's check the 15 minute. Okay, yeah, this is great. This is great. Because it's not even touching, it's not even nowhere near the 20. So it's just pulling back. The RSI ain't over 70, so it's not overbought. So boom, this is pretty good. This is looking pretty good. I'm liking this chart right here. Then the 5 minute, it bouncing right off the 50, so it shot out, boom. It's like, Then it broke below the 20, but it bounced right off the 50. Bounced right off the 50, so that's looking good on the 5 minute. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. And on the 5 minute, even better relative strength index. So yeah, as you see right here with the chart. So as soon as it's moved, ba boom, boom, boom. All right, so Valero, we might just let little baby rock. Like I said, we got one of these calls that's ending today. I mean, Friday. Boom, Friday. And then another one, we got another one, this one right here. Where's Valero? Right here. That's ending next week. So look, like I said, boom, let's just watch this right here. Then I can't do nothing until I see what I'm finna do on one of these trades. This is the one that yapped. I thought it was gonna pop yesterday. Remember I told y'all the earnings reports came up? This is the one that the homie was like, what is Hubble? I'm like, nigga, I don't know, man. It's following the course. Sell contracts. I got the alarm set. What you think? Hold on, go back. All right, so do I sell these bitches right now? Let's see. We did our Excel sheet, so let's just check. We got to check all our analysis real quick. We got to check everything. So Valero was at 163. It closed at 163. It's at 164 right now. It's at 164.53. So it went up a couple points. Like 50 cents pretty much. But it went up to 167. Went up to 167, Frank. Feel me? It went up to 167. It's at 164.50 right now. Okay. It's telling me to sell. Just FYI, we're not looking at this next week's contract. We're just looking at these two right here. Like, are we hitting the peak? This shit is 97% gone, so I'm gonna just keep that one, let that one do its thing. But we looking at this one right here. Are we selling this Valero contract right now and walking away with this 1100 profit? You feel me? Because it was just up. to 1,500. You feel me? It was just up to 50. You know what? Hold on. 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 This is what we finna do, B. We finna look at the S&P and see how. Okay, B. I don't think we gonna sell today, bro. I don't think we gonna sell today. Hold on. Let's look at a little news. I don't think we gonna sell today. The thing keep going off. It keep going off. That's my alarm. I set it back to back. Valero's dropping though, bro. But let's look at some Yahoo News real quick. Let's look at the Yahoo News. Valero is dropping.
At Harvard Extension School,
Valero is
there's more to
dropping.
the
Valero's dropping pretty decently hard too. I'm not even gonna lie. Valero's dropping hard. Valero's dropping hard. They dumping. They dumping the V. They dumping the V. They are dumping the V, bro. You see it? They dumping. We're gonna make a band this week. We're gonna make a rack. We're gonna make one band. So these top two is we're gonna make 10-10, right? Right now, if we cancel these contracts, I mean we sell them out. 10-10. Boom. Oh, Yahoo Finance. Let's check it out. What they're going on. Let's check what's going on. I need another window right here. Okay.
Lemonade.
It's still commercials going on. Okay. Let's see what's going on now, B. Let's see what's going on. Oh, they on break. Intermission. Get back to work. They're like, we've been at work for 3 hours. Valero's dropping pretty decently hard, boys. Damn, man. I'm up 2 racks on one of these plays. I'm up 2 bands on one, 1,500 on another one, and then 1,100 on another one. Like, nah. So we looking at this Valero right here, man. We looking at this Valero right here, dog. Trying to figure out if we finna sell the peak, or ride the extension of the contract. And it's stalling out for real. It's stalling out. I need something to drink so bad. Okay, bet. Okay, damn. Opening candle, 5 minute, boom. But if you look at the money, right, it's doing that bounce that I was saying. And the retracement on the dough, right, is not that bad. You feel me? It's not that bad. Let's see. I gotta let me do this right here. Do that right there. Wow. And then that way we got all the windows up. Yo, Yahoo, what are y'all doing? So look, we was at 18.3, then we now at 17. Then the peak, boom. So yeah, it's good. Came back down a band. Let's see what this V do. Let's see what this Valero's doing, bro. Can I do that though? I'm gonna get something to drink, man. I'll be right back. a little early, but you know, got that fruit punch. All right, they back.
Just after 10 a.m. here in New York City, I'm Shauna Smith alongside Madison Mills. Let's dive into the catalyst moving markets today.
Madison, I like her.
Rally is underway after a bullish call on NVIDIA, coupled with strong results from AMD, sending chip stocks higher this morning. Now, the next
is that what's going on?
For the AI trade will be Meta, expecting results from the social media giant after the bell today. The Fed's rate decision on deck today. That's expected at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Yields moving lower this morning after the ADP print pointed to some.
We are holding. We're holding, bro. We're holding through that Fed rate, B. We holding through that Fed rate.
Boeing finally naming a new leader. Aerospace industry veteran Kelly Ortberg will take on the CEO spot at Boeing. He's going to start in that position on August 8th. So we're going to discuss how the change
pause it. For the company. So look, the reason why we holding through that Fed rate, bro, is because they're cutting interest rates, which means that's about to be more free money on the market, meaning that more companies are going to be taking out loans, corporate loans, to buy back their companies, and they just had good earnings, so more investors are going to have access to money. So the companies that we're already in, which are gas, which is Donald Trump's drill, baby, drill, boom, 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 boom. So yeah, we holding, baby. We holding through the Fed rates. Because at 2, right, when they cut the Fed rates, market's going to close. I'm assuming that they're talking about New York time. Boom. So market's going to be closed. No. Market's going to be open with 2 hours left. So yeah, baby, we holdy. We big holdy. Because the account's already down. You feel me? It's already hit its peak. I was asleep. It's hit its peak. Like, I can't sell on the dime. I can't sell on the money. Like, I can't do that. I'm not a machine. So yeah, we chilling, baby. We chilling, baby. So keep going.
Moving forward.
I like her, bro. She be on point.
All right, first we want to get to some breaking news that we have out on the housing market. Pending home sales, that data out here just moments ago for the month of June, rising 4.8%. That blew past expectations for a rise of just around 1.5%, the largest monthly increase that we have seen since December. When you take a look on a regional basis, we saw increases in the Northeast, in the Midwest, and also in the South, actually across all 4 regions, the West as well, where we're seeing the most strength, or the biggest jump, I should say, on a month-over-month basis. That was in the South. We saw a month-over-month change at just around 6.3%. When you take a look also in the movement to the upside here in the Midwest, Maddie, that moved higher by about 4.7%. So like again, maybe some improvement in the housing market that we're starting to see.
Dope. Look, you see the NASDAQ up 2, S&P up 1.
Existing home sales.
The Dow need to
certainly
pop.
Still some weakness and lots of questions just about the lack of supply that's out there, about and whether or not, or I guess the timeline, maybe more accurately, as to whether or not that's going to fall into better balance. Yeah, it's interesting to see kind of that headline rising number here, because if you look at pending home sales in a lower part of the data print here, pending home sales fell 7.8% year over year. They also fell 6.5% year over year last month here. So even though you're looking on your screen here at that headline number, a rise of 4.8% in pending home sales in particular, it's interesting to look at that data point, because the year-on-year piece, because month over month can be a little bit more volatile moving forward. And those pending home sales, as a reminder, that's just often looked at as kind of a leading indicator of existing home purchases, given that properties do typically undergo a contract a month or 2 before they all are sold. So that's why we look at that year-over-year context as well here. But interesting to see that year-over-year number falling despite the June home sales. That indicates to us that next month, of course, will be critical to watch, particularly as we're all gearing up to find out what the Federal Reserve is going to be doing heading into September. The market pricing in a 100% chance of a rate cut. But of course, Shauna, we're going to be taking a very close look at that as we head into the meeting today here.
Ooh,
all right, let's talk about that big story that we all watching, the Fed policy decision at 2 p.m. Eastern time. While investors, they aren't expecting
2 p.m. Eastern, so boom, yeah, we good money. Yeah, we ain't selling this
commentary that we are going to get is very important. Here to tell us why, Yahoo Finance Fed reporter Jennifer Schomburger. Hey, Jen.
Good morning, Shauna. Wall Street expecting the Fed to hold rates steady this afternoon, but open the door to a rate cut in September. Analysts really watching for any changes in language in the Fed's policy statement to signal that Fed officials are gaining confidence inflation is falling to lower rates. The question is, how far will the Fed go in signaling a cut?
So this is important, right? Inflation low mean assets, inflation low, assets high, or is it inflation high, assets high? Or is it inflation low, assets high? I can't. Damn. See, I gotta call the homie. He's at work right now. He be helping me shit like this. I don't know if I got it backwards or if it's the other way. But basically, when there's more free money, it's easier to get cheaper assets. And when it's harder to get money, assets increase in value. So higher inflation, higher assets. Wow. So we basically need, what I'm assuming is going to happen, right, is they're going to cut rates, opening up the gates for more free money, helping corporations stabilize the economy, putting more money into the economy for employees and loans and stuff like that, which is going to bring prices of assets down temporarily, but they're going to see a quick recovery once all that new influx of money is pushed into the market.
Chief economist over at Gold.
And yeah, we're already past the hour of opening up, and I'm happy you see that account is recovering right now. Like, if I'm not a freaking robot, there's no way I could have caught this peak right here. And why would I even want to catch the peak? Because a lot of these contracts don't even expire until next week and the week after that. Most of them are on the 20th of next month. I can't wait to get paid in just once every 3 years, nigga. Warren Buffett probably get paid once every 10 years.
Sachs says he expects the Fed to say that there has been further progress towards the Fed's 2% inflation goal rather than the modest progress currently in the statement. He also expects the committee to tweak key language to say that the Fed does not expect it will be appropriate to reduce rates until it has gained somewhat greater confidence that inflation is moving sustainably to 2%. Right now, this statement just says greater confidence. So if they said somewhat greater confidence, that would signal they almost have the data that they need to cut rates. They just need a little bit more. Now, meanwhile, all eyes are going to be on Fed Chair Powell's press conference this afternoon as well. Matt Luzetti, chief U.S. economist for Deutsche Bank, says he expects the key takeaway from Powell to be that if the data evolve as expected, a September rate cut is a reasonable baseline. But he says Powell is likely to fall short of indicating such an outcome is a done deal. Now, J.P. Morgan chief economist Michael Ferroli says he thinks Chair Powell will steer away from pointing to any specific meeting for the first cut. He says, we don't think either the statement or Powell's remarks must give guidance on the pace of rate cuts, either perhaps getting ahead of that. Now, some on Wall Street, including chief economist for Wilmington Trust Luke Tilley, say the Fed has enough economic data to cut today, but that they won't do that because they would spook the markets. Now, traders pricing in nearly...
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, boom. They gonna keep it high. Watch, bro. Around September, October, we already talked about this, B. The S&P is gonna drop. It's gonna see a rebound. I might not even be trading around that time, bro. Around, like, election time, September and October, I might just kick back. You feel me? Just kick back, see what the market do. I mean, it's still gonna be pretty good stocks because some of these stocks aren't in the S&P. But just kick back, relax, see what the Fed does, and then once the market starts recovering, you can take profits and start buying hard stocks that you actually like Apple. I'm definitely buying some Apple. I'm trying to throw a bag in there, bro. Like, Apple got it. They the only company of the Magnificent Seven in the S&P 500 that aren't going heavy on this tech shit. I mean, this AI. And I think they know. I think they know something, bro. And they're not disclosing it right now. And they letting everybody else put their money into it and see how they fail and messed up. And then they're just like, we'll get it right, and then we'll hit our customers with it. Because their customer base is large as hell, bro. Like, they got a large customer base. So just imagine, like, you rolling out something when you already selling a product that people not buying like that. You got to roll out something A1. But we're going to cut this live. Let me just show you.
Percent chance the Fed cuts rates in September. Again, we'll see how strongly the Fed signals that this afternoon. The decision coming down at 2 p.m. Eastern, followed by Powell's press conference at 2:30. Back to you.
All right, Jennifer, thank you so much as always for bringing us that news. And of course, all eyes will be on your coverage this afternoon following that Fed meeting and of course remarks from Jay Powell as well. All right, but we're going to turn it to the equity space. Another big story for us this morning, of course, those big tech earnings. Taking a look at Microsoft's results after the bell on Tuesday, adding to the so-called no good, very bad month.
If we got anything else important to say, you feel me? I literally just rolled out of bed. I had to get on here and just let y'all know. Because remember last time, you feel me, we was down bad. You feel me? We was down 3,000. Now remember I tell you, got to take the good with the bad. Now this week, bro, we up 8. So, and it's Wednesday. So we just going to let it keep rolling, bro. We just going to let them keep rolling. We up 1,000 this week. I'm finna go back. I'm gonna go back to sleep, man. I am not playing. Thank you, chat, for joining me on these live streams. We finna take this account, man. I'm trying to do $250,000, bro. Probably like 6 months. I'm gonna do $250,000. Can I do $250,000 in 6 months? I'm doing 10. If I do 10, I'll probably be able to do like, I'll probably be able to do like 60. Probably do it like 60 in 6 months. Because I'm trying to basically, I'm spending like $5,000 a week on the contracts. It might be even more. I'm gonna try to do 60. Just like 10, 6 months straight. All right, folks, I'm out of here.